Imagine a world where we could journey to the stars at speeds faster than light, just like in our favorite science fiction movies. Well, it turns out that this once fantastical dream might not be so far-fetched after all. In a groundbreaking study recently published in the prestigious Classical and Quantum Gravity journal, scientists have unveiled a new approach to warp drive technology. Led by Dr. Jared Fuchs from Applied Physics, the team has proposed a revolutionary model that aligns with the principles of relativity, eliminating the need for exotic energy sources. This means that warp drives, long confined to the realm of imagination, could actually become a reality. Just think, the prospect of faster-than-light travel makes the idea of traveling to Mars suddenly much more possible. But how does this work? The traditional concept of a warp drive involves distorting space-time to allow for faster-than-light travel. Previous studies suggested that this would require exotic forms of matter with negative energy density, which seemed impossible within the framework of known physics. However, the new model introduced by the team at Applied Physics demonstrates that warp effects can be achieved without exotic forms of matter, paving the way for future reductions in energy requirements. One of the most exciting aspects of this new technology is that passengers in a warp craft would experience no G-forces, unlike in traditional planes or rockets. This means that the journey to the stars could be a smooth and comfortable experience, unlike anything we've ever imagined. As we stand on the threshold of a new era in space exploration, the possibilities are endless. The team at Applied Physics is continuing to make steady progress, refining their models and collaborating across disciplines and institutions to turn this once fantastical dream into stunning reality. So, get ready for the dawn of faster-than-light travel as humanity embarks on the warp age. With each new discovery and breakthrough, we inch closer to the stars and the boundless possibilities that await us in the vast expanse of the cosmos. The prospect of warp drives becoming a reality is more tantalizing than ever, and the incredible adventures and revelations that the universe has in store for us could be just around the corner.